In this video, I want to show you how to fix your Amazon Echo Show 8. This is the latest version that came out in 2025 in case it doesn't connect to your Wi-Fi or your internet, or maybe the connection is not stable. So let me show you a few different tricks. So trick number one, I know it's obvious, you should always start by simply unplugging the power cord that is in the back of the device, wait around 2 minutes, and then plug it back. Sometimes the issue is a simple software problem, and by doing this, it's just a reboot that can fix many minor issues. I also suggest you do the same exact thing on your Wi-Fi router. So go in the back of your Wi-Fi router, unplug it from the power, wait 2 minutes, and then plug it back. Many times, in my own experience, the problem is not coming from the device that's having issues to connect, but from the router itself. So do this on both of them and hopefully you're going to fix your issue. If you're still having the problem, let's go to tip number 2. Drag down from the top of the screen, select Settings, then select Device Options, select Network. And over here, this is the network you should be connected to. Click on the I button. And right over here, you're going to see the signal strength. If you see that it's poor or not excellent, there is a good chance that this is the issue. Maybe the router is too far away from this device. Maybe there's too many walls in between and it's causing some interference. So what I suggest is to simply bring the device closer to the router or the router closer to the device. Sometimes it's as simple as this, especially if you have a multi-level house and the router is on one level and the Alexa is one level below or even 2 levels below in the basement. Sometimes it can have trouble connecting to the Wi-Fi because of that. Another thing you can try is to check for software updates. So by dragging down the same way, going to Settings, Device Options, go down, select About this device, check for software updates, wait a few seconds, and if there is an update that is available, I suggest you install it. There's a good chance that that update was fixing many issues that Amazon has found. And finally, if nothing is working, you're still having issues, you can just go down below and select Reset to Factory Defaults. Select Reset to Factory Defaults. Right over here, it will wipe out everything that is on it, including your Amazon account. You'll have to set up the device again as a brand new one. But fortunately, this will also mean that your problem with the connection will be gone. So if you have any other tips or if one of these worked for you, leave a comment down below. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.